And welcome to the Would-Be Carpenter Shop. My name's Donald, and today we're going to be working on this 21st century, late 21st century sweetheart chair, leopard print sweetheart chair, and it has quite a bit of damage on the legs. The fabric and everything is in really good shape. It's a beautiful chair, and let's see if I can turn it around here, kind of get an idea. The family logo, got a hold of the legs on this and shoot them up pretty good. Boom. And this one here. Just gonna put some regular tape on this bottom just so that we don't damage the fabric, because the fabric's in really good shape. Got some 100 grit. We'll go over it real lightly just to knock down the real heavy spots. When it was wet, it swelled from the dog's saliva. Yummy. All right, I got the back leg exposed now. Now I'm going to see if I can't get a small piece of wood out of this so we can replace it. See if we can find a piece of wood for that. I'll be right back. All I'm doing now is waiting on this here to dry, and I'll cut it with the saw and then plane it down, get it cornered up, and then waiting for this here, and then I'll sand this leg and blow it all off. I think it'll be pretty clean. All right, we'll be back. All right, we'll take these clamps off of here. I'll dry it now. I'll bring it down to some 220. This is a little bit darker than what was on there. I'm going to leave it on fairly thick. It has a lot to absorb because of the damage that was on him. See the difference in the legs, but I may have to do some drawing on there just to get it to stay. So there's our first coat. Okay, let this dry overnight. Legs are really good. There's a few little blemishes I'll touch up with some toner. Okay. Okay. Now you can see my line there, but same type of wood. It's not exactly lined up with grain, but it's pretty close. This is the one I'm going to have to really tone up. Until that absorbs it all and dries, it's going to be a lighter color. But we'll tone that up and it'll look great. All right. Now we've stained him yesterday. the legs dark walnut, and I'll walk you around and show you the part that I just touched up, because where I filled the leg in when I stained it, it's going to be different than the leg itself, a solid wood, because it's going over the filler. So I had to touch up the filler with another coat so that it would be the same color as the leg. So now I'm going to use some extra dark walnut toner. And with the extra dark walnut toner, very, very lightly, just going to now the back. Okay, and that should do it right there. So let me flip it over when I'm done and check out how the color looks, and I will show you a picture of the chair completed. All right, this isn't the greatest shot, but I just want to show you the color of the legs. A lot darker, a lot better. It's really dark in the shop, so you can't really see the, let me see if I can tilt it back. Can't really see the color of it. Very nice color though, very nice color. If you like the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Appreciate it.